Welcome back, everyone. Now let's move to the second part of our day. Let's talk about the afternoon and work. Chadia, what do you do in the afternoon? Do you have a job or do you study?
Yes, Rex, I work. In the afternoon, from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., I am a teacher. I teach mathematics to young goats at the mountain school. I love my job because education is very important. What about you, Rex? Do you have a job? Or do you just look cool in your smoking suit all day?
Well, looking cool is a full-time job, Chadia. But yes, I work too. In the afternoon, I work at the local library. I am a librarian. I help people find books and I organize the library shelves.
Wow, a T-Rex working in a library? That is amazing. But wait, library shelves are very high. And your arms? How do you put the books on the top shelves?
Oh, it is a big comedy scene every day. For the low shelves, it is easy. But for the high shelves, I cannot use my arms. So, I use my tail. I hold the book with my tail, and I put it up there. Or, I just use a very big ladder. The library visitors think it is very funny.
That sounds incredible. You are very creative, Rex. Working in a library is perfect for you because you love reading. What do you do when the library is quiet?
When there are no visitors, I sit at my desk and I write stories. I write romantic poetry. It is my favorite hobby. What about you? What do you do after your school classes finish? Do you have hobbies in the afternoon?
Yes, I do. My classes finish at 5 p.m. After that, I need to move my body because sitting in a classroom all day is tiring. So, I go for a walk in the mountains. My favorite hobby is rock climbing. I climb very high rocks to see the sunset. It is beautiful and peaceful.
Climbing rocks. Wow, that sounds terrifying to me. I am a heavy dinosaur. If I try to climb a rock, the rock breaks, and if I fall, it is a historic disaster. I prefer to stay on the flat ground. Let's stop here for our learning moment. Chadia, you used a very good word. You said tiring. You said sitting in a classroom all day is tiring.
Yes. Tiring is an adjective. It describes something that makes you lose your energy. For example, a long walk is tiring, or working for 8 hours is tiring.
Exactly. Be careful, listeners. Don't confuse tiring and tired. Tiring describes the activity. The job is tiring. But tired describes your feeling. For example, I am tired after work. That is a great explanation, Chadia. Let's repeat for our beginners. The job is tiring, so I am tired. Perfect. Let's go back to our conversation.
Rex, do you usually eat a snack in the afternoon? A goûter, as the French say?
Oh yes. At 4 p.m., I always have a tea time. I drink green tea and I eat small biscuits.
Green tea and biscuits? For a T-Rex? I am shocked. Where is the meat?
No meat in the afternoon, Chadia. I told you, I am a sophisticated gentleman. I love British tea time. It helps me relax before the evening. What about you? Do you eat a snack on the mountain?
Yes. I usually eat a small apple or some sweet flowers I find on the rocks. It is a light snack.
That sounds lovely. Let's ask our listeners again. What about you, listeners? Do you work or do you study in the afternoon? What is your job? Please write your job title in the comments in English. Are you a teacher like Chadia or a librarian like me?
Yes, tell us your profession. It is a great way to practice your English vocabulary.
Exactly. We love reading about your lives. And if you enjoyed learning with us today, please click that like button and subscribe to the channel right now.
Yes, don't forget the notification bell so you can join us for our next English adventure. We have so much more to share with you.
Thank you for listening today, everyone. Keep practicing your English, stay curious, and see you very soon in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye and unleash your English.